Om Namo Venkateshaya. TTD has opened the bookings of Seva tickets for the month of October. In this video, I will explain you what is Seva tickets, how it differs from other tickets, whether we will get direct darshan at Tirumala Tirupati with this ticket, when we will get the darshan, until which place they will allow us to see the god, the prasad details, cost of the tickets, how many peoples we were allowed to book the tickets. Along with this, I will tell you how to book these tickets from our mobile itself easily. 4 sevas are there: Kalyanotsavam, Unjal Seva, Achita Brahmochavam and Sahasra Deepalangaram. Kalyanotsavam costs 1000 rupees. We have to pay 1000 rupees because for the other sevas we can go for either single person 500 rupees ticket, or maximum they will allow us to book 2 tickets, that is for 1000. These choices were there for the other sevas, but for this Kalyanotsavam we have to pay 1000 rupees. This is a couple ticket generally, otherwise we can book like father, daughter, mother, son, brother, sister, like that. That is one gents and one female. Generally they will allow like this only, but this is a couple ticket. Children less than 12 years, no need to take any tickets. They can take their children with them. Kalyanotsavam is they will do marriage for the idols of Lord Venkateshwara with his concerts in the place where the main deity before him, Dvajastambam, will be there. On the left of this Dvajastambam, big hall will be there. They will do this marriage there only. They will do it for 1 hour. That is, throughout the year they will do this marriage at 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 1 hour they will do this marriage. They will do with full formalities of marriage. And before COVID, we can see this marriage if you book this ticket. But now we can see the seva, that is, if you are booking this Kalyana Utsavam on October 10th, we have to see this seva through SVBC channel, Tamil SVBC channel, Telugu. If you don't have this channel, you can see this same in YouTube also. This is called virtual seva. They will not send any link for us. Just like that, we can see this on TV. Even every day you can see this sevas on TV at the particular time. But if you book this ticket, they will tell our name and Gotram, because at the time of booking they will ask our Gotram and name. So the same they will tell in the time of this marriage, means after marriage they will do puja for us. That time they will tell. So we can see that is the difference between paying the ticket for this. Otherwise, we can see every day at 12 to 1 p.m. this Kalyanotsavam seva on SVBC channel. There is a belief that whoever marriage is getting delayed can book this seva and participate, so that their marriage will happen soon. So those people also will participate in this seva. This is the Kalyanotsava. Unjal seva is they will keep the idols of Lord Venkateshwara with his concerts on a swing. They will make it move, then they will do archanas, that is Unjal seva. They will do this Unjal seva every day throughout the year at 2 to 3 p.m. Timings will be there. I will show you the timing also. Each seva they will do on the particular time only. Then Sahasra Deepalangara seva, they will lit 1000 diyas and they will do puja for this Lord Venkateshwara and his consorts, that's those idols, and that is the Sahasra Deepalangara seva. Achita Brahmochavam is they will keep these idols of Lord Venkateshwara and his consorts on the Hanuman Vahana, Garuda Vahana, Pedda Sesha Vahana. That is Achita Brahmochavam. These 3 sevas, that is Achita Brahmochavam, Sahasra Deepalangara seva and Unjal seva, we can book either for single person or 2 person. Male, female, there is no any restrictions. We can book. But each tickets only 2 people are allowed to go. So these are the seva details. They will allow us to see the main god at Tirumala Tirupati. If you are booking the seva on October month, they will not allow us to see the god on the same day. That is the disadvantage of this ticket. We have to wait for at least 1 month. Means if you are booking the seva on October month, they will start means they will allow us to book darshan tickets from November to 6 months. They will give us time from the date of booking. So any availability, as per availability, we can book till 6 months. They will give us time actually. So till which place they will allow us means like same as 300 rupees darshan tickets, sarva darshan tickets, we all mingle at Bangaru Vakili, that is in front of main Lord Venkateshwara. There they will mingle us with them, then they will direct towards left side outside of that place. So there will be no any special entrance for this. Before COVID, the entrance is at actually Subatham entry only. We have to go through Subatham entry. They will make us to sit at that compartment for half an hour. Then they will make us to see this marriage for 1 hour. From that place we'll be allowed to see the Lord Darshan. But now we have to see the marriage on TV. That is optional only. It is our choice. Then on the booking of Darshan date, we can go. Now they are allowing through 300 rupees ticket queue. So this is the details about the darshans of this ticket. How it differs from other seva tickets, means other tickets is sarva darshan queue is long queue. They will give only one laddu, means one small laddu, then no cost, means free of cost. 300 rupees means we have to pay 300 rupees and separate queue is there, and they will give only one laddu. But this ticket, darshan ticket, along means this amount is included with darshan ticket. Along with this they will give prasad, that one blouse bit they will give, and small size dhoti also they will give, one laddu they will give. This is the difference between other tickets. And entry also different only, but now they have made as common entry along with this 300 rupees darshan ticket. Otherwise we have to go through Subatham. Once this COVID goes, maybe they will resume this service back, so that we can go through Subatham entry and see the marriage of these gods and particular sevas at that particular time in person. This Kalyanotsam Prasad we have to get at the counter of 33, 34, 35 from the first floor of the laddu counter. Rest of the sevas we can get the Prasad at ground floor itself. So I think I have explained the short brief explanations about the sevas, darshan details, how it differs from other tickets, laddu prasad means prasad details, cost of the tickets, and number of peoples we were allowed to book. Now we will see how we can book these tickets online from our mobile itself easily. Login into tirupatibalaji.ap.gov.in with your user ID, email ID, password and captcha code. Then click the options, select the online virtual seva participation. So under that they will give one option, Srivari temple or Padmavati temple. Click the Srivari temple, accept their rules and regulations. This page will open. Click seva. 4 sevas will come with its timings. So this timing will not change. If there is any change, they will inform us before itself. So check the sevas which we want to book the tickets. 4 sevas are there. Then come back to the previous page. So here we can, first we have to select the darshan date for October month. These dates are available. So if you click the date, it will show the number of tickets available in the slot. So we can select the slot here. Then number of persons. If it is Kalyanotsam, only one choice, they will automatically fill it, means number of persons. Other tickets means we have to fill the whether single person or 2 persons. Then we have to see the darshan ticket availability through click here. There will be one option is there, click here. So through that we have to see availability only. We cannot book now. So check that availability, come back to the previous page, click the number of persons we are going to book, whether single or 2 persons, then continue, give continue. It will take to next page. Here give you details about ID proof, name, age, email ID, those details and all you have to give here. Then click continue. It will take to your payment session. Federal Bank is there, HDFC is there, 2 options are there. So if you click Federal Bank, 3 options will come. If you have Federal Bank login, you can select this option, which is very easy to pay the ticket payment. So otherwise credit card, debit card, net banking is there. So you can pay as per your convenience. After giving the particulars here, you have to click pay now. Then they will send you one OTP to your mobile number. you have to type that mobile number with the captcha code. Your tickets is booked, that is Seva ticket is booked. Once this ticket is booked, they will send you one link to, automatically it will come actually after payment. Now I'm not doing any payment because already my darshan got booked, so I couldn't show that payment. So once you booked this Seva ticket, that link will open automatically. So through that link you can book darshan tickets as per availability. They will give you 6 months time to book the tickets. So any which slot is available, you can book that time. After that, when they are opening the particular month's accommodation, you can book accommodations also through this transaction history. So this is the Seva ticket. I explained in detail. If you have any doubts, please ask. So payment session, I couldn't do this, means I couldn't do now because I have already done this. So if you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.